sure, I'll do it. Okay, well, I'm gonna try drinking some of this and shake it, and when I build out like a nice good burp, I'll be right back. Oh, I was like jumping up and down.